Alrighty, so I was working on this yesterday, but I don't know if I found this out yesterday or not. But no, I did find it out yesterday because it's right here. So I was working on debugging the oh my gosh, I was working on debugging the fact that the untracked files structs aren't going into the hash map. So I think if I this doesn't have anything in it. Projects, get stats. Fuck. I think it's after I type. I don't know why that shows up actually. Let me try that again because I don't feel like dealing with that right now. Projects slash get stats. Yeah, it's not being added. So what we're going to do is find out when it first should be added. And I think it's at update. So when we do that, so let's first check that all repos isn't null. Meaning that if we didn't get anything from that text box, then yeah, we shouldn't be getting anything. What is this thing that's pretty okay? It's for tick, so I actually need that. Okay. I should have put a bunch of new lines here, but it's not null, so we're cooling in that department. But that means that we get down here and nothing happens. So let's first make sure that our segmented strings are right. Actually, let's just do a general test, and I'm going to keep copying and pasting this. So we need to get a string, and then we're going to do info, data, tracked path. Oh, I forgot about that. Eyes listed. Tracked paths, and then at the ith index. Oops, I forgot to. Yeah, I forgot everything. %s, and there we go. And then I need a comma. Oh, I left this. And I apparently forgot a parentheses. No, I didn't. I just did forget a semicolon. Oh, stop. It didn't print out. Oh, that's a problem. So let's firstly make sure we're getting here. And then let's turn off the printing of the hash map. Okay, so I don't know why they didn't print that in the first place. Okay, so both untracked and tracked, which is what we want. And then, wait, where are we at? We were at update. Yep. So, why did I go down? So we have that. Okay. Oh. Wait. Why did that work then? So that should be that. I want to see that, make sure that this is the right value, because this should be info, data, non-tracked files, and that should be 1. Oops. It's probably better to do. So the track paths, you get 1, and then the amount of track paths is 1. Okay. So I believe that this is right. Right? And then we get the delay amount. Oh, wait. I need to check. First of all, yeah. So if the delay amount properties, actually, I don't even need to do that. So if yes, data string settings, the delay option is null, meaning that the user deleted what was in there and then didn't put anything back, then we should set the delay amounts to 5. And then else, and we do this. Right, so let's firstly test how we're getting here, because I didn't put anything in there. Because I'm pretty sure the output value should be null if there's nothing in there. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing in there. And it's still not. Okay, so what is being output then? Graph. So let's put pipes on both sides so we know if it's like a space or something. And then OVS data get string, settings, and delay. So it's literally nothing. Does it equal null? I don't think so. Can I just hit enter? No, that's lame. Oh, but I can go next to it. Awesome. So it doesn't equal null. Does it equal the empty string? String compare the empty string with this. Dude, what? It's not null. It's not the empty string. Oh no, it is the empty string. Because string compare returns 0 if it's correct. Okay, so this should be string compare the empty string with this. And then if not that, and now it's gonna work. Awesome. Okay. So now, get rid of that because the delay amount is correct. So now when we update tracked files, info data, this is supposed to but we didn't create the untracked files first. Oh, this is for the tracked files, my fault. So at this point, let's say we are going, I want a long, and then I want to get the line, or no. I want, data, and then added. So it's still 0, but if I come over here and I do like term, wait, I am in the right place, right? Yeah. So I do term get diff short stat. There are insertions and deletions. So there's something wrong. Let's update track files first of all. So let's make sure that we're getting what we expect. So let's print let's print the entire line. Oops. Because this is the line from the terminal. I need a new line though. So it's not returning anything from that, but why? So I assume we're getting null from this then. We're not getting null either. Where are we looking up here? Because if we don't go in the for loop, then we don't do anything, which would make sense. Okay, so we don't go in the for loop. But let's make sure we're getting the function at all. Just a little sanity check. Okay, so we're getting in the function, we're not getting in there. Is something wrong with the tracked files? Or the number of tracked files? Because I'm pretty sure I just changed this. Data, non-tracked files. So there's one tracked file, which is right, but we started at 1. Oh, I did this on the last one just because when I was originally doing this, I was using argv and argc, but for argv, you, yes sir, wait, stop. Oh. Okay, cool. But with arg the first command is the runner, so you cannot use the first command. But I forgot to change it back. I don't know what I was testing. Where those things come from. Okay, so we're getting insertions and deletions correct. Because, wait, let me double check it. Term, oh, I just added 2 more files to deletions, but whatever. Term get diff short stat. And what we're getting, okay, it's probably right because I deleted those 2 lines. 1 got removed from additions, 1 got added to deletions. So now that that is working, when we come out, we need to make sure the text is right because the actual text source is bugging out. So we are going to come down here. We updated the tracked files. So now let's try to print the info data number added, and this should still return a coherent number. So that's not right. Where are the other numbers coming from though? Is this all one? Why doesn't it let me move it? Oh, I'm hitting control rather than shift. That'll do it. Okay, so something is wrong with that. So when we pass in info data, okay, firstly, let's make sure that this is constant. So let's say LD and then data added. This should be constant. If it's constant, then I know it's a memory access issue. It's not constant. Why isn't it? But insertions is, right? Oops. Yeah, so insertions is 11 every time. Oh, I know what it is. This should be this, right? Oh. Oh, yes. I already know that this is constant. Oh, I never printed it out. I deleted the print. But I have a feeling this still isn't working. Just because it was bugging out on the display still. Still in control. Yeah. So why is that the case then? When we don't add it, what do we pass in here for updates? Info data. I need a pointer to this, I think. What's the function called? Update track files. So I think this needs to be the address of such. could be wrong, but all right. So then we come over here and we say this is now going to be check data. Yep. And then get interface. Okay. So now that means everywhere. What's that? S/data goes to data everywhere. I think that's it. Man. Passing or from incompatible pointer. Did I not save that H? Where is this definition? Get diff interface.h. Because I feel like it's one of the cached .h files. I don't want to do that either. Bro. Oh wait, does CMake presets have one? Don't think that's what I think it is. So is there a build directory listed here? No. I think it's gotta be a CMake, right? Defaults helpers. Never mind. You got it. Oh, it's right in front of my face. This is the build, right? A6. This should have my cache.h file. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove this. Remove build underscore whatever. And now I should be able to build. Bruh. Bro, where is this coming from? Get diff interface. I don't get it. Because I passed in this, and then this is still the old version. I'm so stupid, bro. What the fuck? I can't believe that. That is crazy. Data is a pointer that you mean to use. Where is that? $195. Oh, did I not come all the way down here? 6 down. S/data/data. All of them. I didn't save. Okay. That did not work. Oh, that was fast on dudes. Undo it here. And then undo it here. Alright. Why wouldn't it work? So I'm trying to change the value of this. What if I make I don't think that would work either. Oh, quite. Oh, what if it's one of these things messing it up? This is physically for adding, which is what I've been doing. Okay, so we get in there. So it could potentially be this too. Oh. So at this point, let's go ahead and print. Please say it's this. Data added. And then do the same thing here. Okay, whatever. Bro, leave me alone. Oh, bro. What the fuck? I can't save though? Fine. Too many files open. Blah, blah, blah. Interface. So back to what I was doing before I was so rudely interrupted. So we say %d, and then we get Added, and then we do the same thing down here. Oops. Yeah, this is a long, not a int. So we go through here. Nope, they're both still fucked. And the first one isn't right? Oh, I get it now. So one of these needs to be setting it. Okay. So when we call source and then we update it, this needs to be, we update track files. And then after we update track files, we need to say, hey, the data added needs to be 0. And then the data deleted needs to be 0. It's still doing that. Why is it doing that? Oh, because this just accounts for updating, not ticking. So if I update it, it does work. Go back down 0, 0, yep. Okay, so for ticking, I need to do the same thing. Oops. But else, we set the info data deleted equals 0, and then info data added equals 0. Why is it? So if tracked paths equals null, so you update the track files. Oh, wait, no. Update track files is what does that? Yeah. So this should always be getting something. %LD. And then info data added. Oh, I'm not focusing. Can I space? Okay, cool. Oh, fuck. Okay, so it's always getting something. And then, yeah, so why? So then we put it down here and we still should be getting the same thing. Yeah. Okay, so at what point does it get reset? Oh, was I doing an int? How's that working? Oh my, no, okay. It is supposed to be a string. Yeah, I'm fucking up here. Whoa. Discard. Damn, what the fuck? Okay. That's weird. Anyway. Okay, where is this 1 and 0, 0 coming from? First of all. Untracked files. Oh, that's not right. If they tracked files. I thought I just fixed that though. Please don't do it anymore. Interesting. So we were getting nothing from. Okay, let's see this again. So it's info, data, added. Oops. Okay, so it's working perfectly fine. But is it the L to A function? No. Right, that's what I use here? Yeah. So that's working fine. And then we update it. Don't quite understand that. Because we updated it with that, and then we update it here. Or no, this is tick. Yeah. Yeah, so the source is constantly getting ticked. But what else could possibly be running to reset it to that garbage? We could be updating it, I guess. No, it only gets... Wait a minute. Hold up. So when we have a accurate path, it works. So what is different between a good path and a bad one? Okay, I'll have to do this later. So what we're going to do is figure out why we get garbage for output when we have a valid path. Working when path is invalid. Okay, cool. So today we gonna add all. We fixed the updating of the values in the get data struct from the source.